Okay, so hello. So for our first example sa ating shear and moment diagram, so it's just a review for many, and for the beginners, this is the introduction. So we have this setup. So this is from the Strength of Materials by Pytel and Singer. Okay, so we have here this kind of setup. This is R1, this is R2. Okay, then ito si 50 kN, then 20 kN. So, ganun pa rin ang una natin gagawin. Mag-moment tayo para makuha ang reaction. So, try natin mag-moment kay R2. So, I make clockwise positive. So, to make it fast, that will give me 6R1. Okay. Plus 20 times 1. Clockwise ang ikot niya. Minus 50 times 4. Is equals to 0. So, that will give me okay. Ang x ko ay 30 or the R1. So, next. Okay, so 30 kN. Then, para makuha si R2, mag-summation of forces vertical ka na lang. Okay. So, R1, which is 30, plus R2 is equals to 50 plus 20. So, yun yung mga loading mo. So, we can get R2 as 70 kN. Okay? So, mag-cut section method tayo. So, yun yung method ko para makuha kong shear diagram. So, kino-consider ko ulit from the left part of the beam. Okay, so this is 30. So, therefore, ang una kong shear ay 30 kilonewton meter. Okay? Next. So, we have 30. May loading ka na 50. So, that will give you negative 20 kilonewton. Okay. So, I'm sorry. Ito pala ay hindi kilonewton meter. Sorry. So, kilonewton lang siya ha. Pakapag shear. Then, kilonewton. Then, last part ng ating cut section method ay 30. I have 50 here. Then, umakyat ka kay 40. So, that will give you 20 kilonewton. So, ito yung ating pangatlong shear. Pangatlong shear. Okay? So, kilonewton lang yun ha. Nagkamali kanina. Sorry. So, next, draw natin yung shear diagram. So, ito yung itsura ng iyong shear diagram. Ito. Ayan. So, umangat ka ng 30. Ayan, 30. Then, sabi doon sa next, umakyat ka, bumaba ka ng negative 20. Okay, so ito siya. Negative 20. Okay, papassage siya dyan. Then, umakyat ka kay 20. So, ayun siya. Okay? So, ayun yung shear diagram ha. So, yung sa moment natin, kunin lang natin yung area. So, dito na lang tayo sa part na to. So, sabi, this is 30. So, i-multiply mo lang si 30 kay 2. That will give you 60 kilonewton per meter. So, ito yung una mong bending moment. Then, si 60 rather, i-add mo siya sa area nitong pangalawa. So, sulat natin yung area nito. So, this is negative 80 kilonewton meter. Okay? So, i-add mo si 60 kNm mula dito sa part na to. Dito, that will give you negative 20 kilonewton meter. Okay? Then, kapag pinag-add mo to sa area nito, which is 20 times 1 is 20, that will give you 0. So, tama ang ating sagot. Okay? So, ayun yung ating shear and moment diagram nitong setup na ito. Okay? So, that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you. Bye.